Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to make a shop in Roblox Studio. This should be quite an easy tutorial. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is open your web browser. Then in the search bar, search for Roblox. And here is the first website, click to open it. Now here, first you need to log in with your account here. Once you logged in, then on the top here, click on Create here. Then on the next page here, on the top side here, from these options, click on the This Option Store here to go to Store. And in the store here, you will get Vehicles, Structures, Lights, Tech, and Other. But I am searching for Shop here. I cannot find any shop here. So in the search bar, search for Shop. And here are all the available shops in the Roblox if I scroll down. And here, go to the next page to find more shops on the next page. You can use any one because all shops are free to use here. You can select any one that you like the most. Like I am selecting this one, so just click on it. Now here, you can read its description and also check its reviews. So simply click on this button, Get Model here. And this shop is added to your inventory. Now you can find this shop in your inventory on Roblox Studio. So just go back to Roblox Studio. And now here in the Home tab, click on Toolbox here. And then on the right side here, click on Inventory icon here, and you can find that shop on the top here. Or you can simply click on this button, Try in Studio, and then click on Open Roblox Studio, and then you will be redirected to Roblox Studio with this shop. So go back to Roblox Studio, and simply click on Shop here, and here we are. Now you can use this shop if you want to make some changes in it. Then on the top right side here, click on your shop, and then click on the arrow button here. And you can find many parts and items of the shop. Select any item or part and you will make change in it or remove that part from the shop. For example, I will select the name of the shop here. And then click on Color button here. To change the color of your text, you can select any color that you want. You can also change its fonts and style here. In this way, select any part and change its color or style, or remove that part if you want to remove it. So, once you've done all, then click on the play button here to have a look. And here we are. So, in this way you can create a shop in Roblox Studio.